there's something good happening when the opportunity for young folks or whoever's not employed to get employed, whoever's not trained to get trained, uh, who needs an opportunity to get an opportunity. All that is good stuff. And in these times that we need good stuff. So we're going to share some good news this morning. I want to bring to the microphone. Of course, Big Lewis is there, right? Big Lou, you there?
Yes, sir. Yes,
All right.
sir. And good morning. Good morning,
He's
sir.
the slimmest big man I know. I don't know, Big Lou, but want to say hello this morning, representing Neal Brothers, which is a great company here that's doing a lot in the Low Country. Um, Melanie Jordan is on the line. Melanie, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm so good.
That,
So good on this Tuesday morning.
that's good. You just look when you got on the radio, your voice dropped down a little bit. You're like, "Good morning, good morning." Yes.
Good morning. I got my serious voice on this morning.
Yeah, you do. I hear it. And then, of course, she's going to bring us up another octave or key. Mackenzie, is it Davis? Mackenzie?
Yes, that is it. Good morning. Good morning.
There it is. So we got the both sides.
Yeah.
We got the low and the high. I like it.
We like to bring full circle around here.
Yeah, so a little balance. But you guys, so Mackenzie, real quick, tell everybody you work intimately at Neal Brothers. Tell everybody real quick what you do, and then following you, Mackenzie, I want you to tell everybody what you do representing Neal Brothers Incorporated.
Yeah, so Neal Brothers is a shipping export packing company, and so we handle containers that come overseas. We handle flat racks, we do packing, and so I actually manage one of our facilities here in Charleston.
Okay.
It's located off of Azalea Drive, so I'm a general manager of one of our warehouses.
Okay, that's a big job. That's a big job.
It is. It
Indeed.
is, but I love it.
Yes, and then Melanie Jordan, do you work with Mackenzie, or you work in a separate site?
Well, we work together every single day, but
Okay.
we are at different sites. We're
Okay.
literally probably 2 to 3 miles down the road.
Okay.
I manage our Domino Avenue facility, which is right off Industrial Drive in Azalea.
I got you.
And yep, and so we do work together, which we do with all of our locations as well. But yeah, so we work together every single day.
And working together as I bring Lewis Smith in with the Community Resource Center, been a big partner, and there are jobs that we're trying to offer folks and training that can lead to jobs. Isn't that right, Big Lewis Smith?
You're absolutely right. And what we're doing here with Neal Brothers, we're actually having a class on Thursday. They're going to teach and certify and hire Thursday. You know, Neal Brothers is an amazing company, amazing community partner, and I'm so happy. I'm not going to do all the talking this morning, Terry. These young ladies can tell us what we are doing, okay?
Oh, I got you. Well, let's bring him back up. Melanie, you're in need of forklift operators and different folks that can get involved with Neal Brothers. Isn't that right?
Yes, and so we are always looking for good quality people to join our team and join our family. We've got 7 locations. We've got 5 of the locations that are right here in the Charleston area.
Okay.
We've also got a Monetta, South Carolina location.
Okay.
And also in Savannah.
Wow.
So we've got several locations with positions to fill. And I just don't want anyone out there to feel intimidated at all whatsoever whenever they think about a job at Neal Brothers, because we give every single person the benefit of the doubt and every possible chance that they want to take. So it's completely up to them. All they have to do is come and apply and have the drive and the energy that we're looking for, and we'll give them a shot. Absolutely.
And that's what is happening on Wednesday. We need 15 people to sign up.
Thursday.
Okay, it's on Thursday. So you got today's Tuesday. You got Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday to sign up. Mackenzie, Davis, they need to sign up so they can work with you, right?
Absolutely, yes. Bring it on.
All
But
right.
no, it's a short video that you watch for the forklift test. It's a 40-question test.
Uh-huh.
I believe you've got to get an 80% passing rate, and then
Okay.
that gets you your forklift certification.
And
So
then,
it's pretty
yeah,
straightforward. And then we do a lot of on-the-job training as
right.
well,
So
obviously. So
you can
you don't
get
have.
the trained and certified in one day.
Yes. Yep. You can definitely just a quick quiz and the video, and then that can get you your forklift certification.
And
right
then
away.
you begin to be trained and learn how to be an operator. And then I know we're trying to hire some folks from this experience. So it's
Yes.
Tuesday and you don't have a job. Well, you can participate in your life there, and on Friday you might be employed. Isn't that correct?
That is exactly right. Yep.
Okay. All right.
Wow.
Well,
Wow.
we're gonna push because we know, and these are for young people, not necessarily exclusively, but we are definitely leaning toward trying to help recent graduates. It's graduation season, and I think the age group that we're focusing on is 18 or 17 to 22. Am I right?
Correct.
Yep, that is correct. So we want, obviously, this is not just a job. We want it to be a career for
Yes.
you. So this is definitely
Right.
a place where you can come in and grow and work your way up. But it's a great career opportunity.
I love it. Well, thank you again,
Wow.
Mackenzie Davis, Melanie Jordan, two people that work with my friend Daryl over there at the wonderful company that Neal Brothers is as a global company, not just a Charleston company.
I know Melanie had mentioned our Savannah and Charleston location.
Right.
We actually have just moved to Jacksonville, Florida as well. So if anybody's interested in relocating or anything, traveling down, we've got a new facility that we're opening in Jacksonville.
Jacksonville
so
as
it's a great
well.
opportunity.
All righty.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Well, Lewis, I think you must be riding in a convertible. I hear that wind in the background. Lou, I told you to ride in the truck
And the
today, not
convertible.
yeah. But,
Well,
He's
Terry,
living that
if
carefree
I
life
can remind
today.
everyone,
yes,
that it's Thursday at 10 a.m.
Thursday at 10.
We have 15 slots
Yes.
available, and we need the people to call in before 3 o'clock Wednesday.
You have today and tomorrow
Right.
to call in 843-499-9498. Or if they call me in the studio, I can help assist that as well. All right?
Absolutely,
yeah, we're looking
Terry.
forward to seeing everybody
Absolutely.
come out.
Absolutely. Well, hey, we will make sure they come out because jobs that good paying jobs are available. Careers, as Mackenzie said, not just a job, a career. All right? Let's
Yes.
let's upgrade everyone. Thank you again for your time, and we look forward to seeing you guys again real soon.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Thank you for having us on.
You're very
Wow,
welcome.
absolutely.
And hey, shout out the Salukis. And
Yeah. Woo, woo.
all right.
Right.
All right.
Good.
And Lewis, close us, take us to our traffic break, Lewis, because we help out the Community Resource Center one person.
One resource at a time. Praise God, praise God, praise God.